This video tutorial is only a general guide to assist in the assembly of your bicycle. This is not a complete or comprehensive guide of all aspects of assembly, maintenance, and repair. First, cut open the shipping straps, and then proceed to open the box. Inside, you'll find two small boxes. Proceed to remove the wrappings protecting the bike. Now, let's open the small boxes to see what's in them. Inside the box, you'll find a handbook, pedals, a bag of tools, and a charger. Unfold the bike first and make sure the folding mechanism is latched and securely locked. Let's mount the handlebar. Insert the handlebar into the tube. Then, unscrew the screws on the handlebars and insert the handlebars firmly into the frame. Please note that the top tube should not be stretched upwards beyond the scale line. Check that everything lines up and tighten the screws again. Make sure that it aligns with the front tire. Set the height to your liking. Pedals should be attached to the correct side. When you receive the bike, don't worry, you can tell which one is which because there are marks on the pedals. Screw the pedals using the wrench as tight as possible. Easy, right? Repeat the same step for the other side. Just open the quick release bolt by opening the lever. Install the seat to the desired level and tighten the quick release bolt again. Nice! The assembly is complete. Please double check that the seat post and handlebar are securely installed before riding. Insert the key into the lower part of the frame of the bike. Finally, you can press the power button on the left side of your handlebars. Press the button on the side of the control panel to turn on the light. Test the throttle. Try shifting gears and see that the wheel spins freely. The horn is on the lower left of the handlebars. Adjust the suspension to your liking. Fold the frame of the bike in order to remove the battery. Turn the key to the clockwise and open the lock on the battery to remove it. Take out the battery and charge it. You can also charge the battery without taking it out. First, put the battery back. The charging port is located on the side of the battery. fold your bike, and save space. If you have any questions regarding the safe operation, proper assembly, repair, or maintenance of your bicycle, please contact our support team. That's it. Before every ride, check your e-bike carefully to ensure it is ready to go. Thanks for watching.